Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm striking out today. So here's the answers to these practice problems in your notes that I asked you to try. Again, my recording just stopped, so these will be your verbal and written answers. So I'm going to present here so the screen is a little bigger so we can write on it and you can see it hopefully. All right, so in your notes under those practice columns, I had asked you to do these 4 electron configurations. So here are your answers. Magnesium is number 12, so it's right here. So we would start at hydrogen, so we have to go 1s and then a 2 because we go 2 elements over. And then after element 2, we come down here to lithium and beryllium, so then we would do 2s2. After element 4, we follow our arrow over here to 2p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. And then after 2p6, that gets us to neon, so we come over here to sodium. Magnesium ends in the 3s sublevel, so we would say 3s, and it's the second element in, so we would end with 3s2. So that is the electron configuration for magnesium. Nickel is here in the middle. It's right by copper. So this one will be a little longer. There is a shortcut, which I'll show you tomorrow, but for now we'll practice the long version. So again, we start with hydrogen, 1s2. Always have to start with hydrogen due to Aufbau's principle. So after 1s2, we come down here, follow in order of atomic number to 2s2. And then that gets us to beryllium, so we follow over here to 2p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. All right, that gets us to neon. So then we'd come over here to the third energy level, 3s2. And we got to keep going because we're not quite to nickel yet. So after element 12, we follow our arrow over here to element 13. So we go 3p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That gets us to argon. So we come over here to element 19 and 20. So we'd go 4s2. That gets us to calcium. So calcium's number 20. So we have to go in order of atomic number. So scandium is number 21. So then we do 3D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would end us with nickel. And again, if you add up these little superscripts, you would get the atomic number, which in this case would be 28. All right, arsenic is over here. So this will be a long one as well. So again, we have to go in order of atomic number, starting from the beginning. So we would go 1s2, and then 2s2. After 2s2, we follow our arrow over here to 2p6. Oops. And after 2p6, we come over here to 3s2. That gets us to magnesium, so we follow our arrow all the way to the next element, which is aluminum. So that would be 3p6. So that gets us to argon, which is number 18. So we come over here to number 19. So we would continue on with 4s2. After calcium, we have to follow our arrow over here to 3D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because we have to go all the way across it. So 3D10. And after 3D10, that gets us to zinc, which is number 30. Then number 31 is gallium. So then we would go 4p, 1, 2, 3. And that's where we would end. All right, my last one is lithium, which is up here. So this one will be a short one. So we'd go 1s2. And next would be 3s, and then we just end with 1 because lithium is the first element in that sublevel. Or sorry, 2s, 1. So we would end with 2s, 1. And when you end with the 1, you still have to put the 1 there because you have to add these numbers together to give you your atomic number. So hopefully that helped. Let me know what questions you have. There will be some practice in your digital notebook, but I would definitely draw these arrows into your long periodic table in your yellow packet. It will be very helpful as you're following in order of atomic number.